How to delete YouTube channel on phone. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, you cannot delete your YouTube channel on phone, but you can delete it from any web browser. So just go back and open any web browser and search studio.youtube.com and click on YouTube Studio. And while you click on YouTube Studio, there might be the option of install the app. So just don't click on that. Just below that you can see continue to YouTube Studio. So if you press this, then you will be able to open this website. Now zoom in, and on the bottom of left hand side you can see settings. So just click on that, and here you can see channel. So just click on that, and you can see advanced settings over here. So just click on advanced settings, scroll to the last, and here you can see remove YouTube content. So just click on that. So press on continue. So here you'll get the option of I want to permanently delete my content. So just tick right on everything and press on delete my content and type your email address and press on delete my content, and your YouTube content will be deleted. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.